Malapit lang maigi mga kaibigan! We are first going to be calling our second runner-up. Second runner-up is Mr. Grand Philippines, Mandaluyong City. Quezon Province! Congratulations once again, Mr. Grand Philippines Heritage. That was Ilocano City.
At this point, we only have 3 crowns left. Who do you think it's gonna be? Sino?
Grabe, ramdam na ramdam namin ang intensity coming from the audience members here at the Metro 10. So all of our online community, all of our friends watching us live on Facebook, sound off on the comments. Sino sa tingin ninyo karapat dapat mabigyan ng mga corona tonight? We still have 3 gentlemen waiting for their names to be called in. And I believe meron pa tayong 3 corona. The next crown is also very vital for the Philippines. Ito ang isa rin sa mga lalaban sa entablado internationally. They're also going to be representing the Philippines in the coming, in the future pageants brought to us by Mr. Grand Philippines. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, kumapit lang tayo. We are waiting for that one final announcement.
But before we announce the last 3 crowns, I would like to thank the designer of this outfit, Mr. Edric Paz. You know, this is very last minute, so thank you, Edric. And of course, I would want to promote my shows. You can catch me on All Out Sundays and Pulang Araw every night sa prime time. And catch me sa labas kung gusto yung picture. How about you guys?
Wow, sana yung catch sa labas. Baka mamaya.
Parang mas okay ako dun. Catch us sa labas.
I love that. Pero delikado. Ito na naman. Catch sa labas eh.
Hindi, mamibigay daw si Diana ng mga supplements mamaya.
Ay, oo.
Bibigyan mo ako, di ba?
Oo.
Siyempre galing sa front row.
Ay,
Mahihingi tayo kay RS ng supplements kasi binigyan ka.
RS, ayaw ko mag-share. Wow.
Nako. Siyempre, let's also take this opportunity to thank our sponsors who are so generous in helping us not only promote this organization, but also make this a momentous, a phenomenal success. Big round of applause, everybody. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sponsors natin na sumusuporta sa plataforma natin ito. Nandiyan na rin also the production men and women, the individuals who have been working day in and day out to make sure that this event is a momentous success. Congratulations sa ating lahat. Congratulations, of course, Mr. Rex Bellarmino. Maraming salamat.
Sir Rex, yes.
Sir Rex Bellarmino, we're very proud. And I think we're getting ready, right?
We are ready to call in the next crown. Derek.
Mr. Grand Philippines Fitness is Mr. Grand Philippines Zambales!